our language skills lesson for today, and these skills are going to help us in our reading and within our writing on creating complete sentences and being able to identify nouns. Nouns are words that are a person, place, thing. And we have different types of nouns. We've talked about how subjects in sentences are nouns, how direct objects are nouns. We're now going to be talking about this word singular noun and plural nouns. So if we see the word singular nouns and plural nouns, a singular noun is a noun when it's just one noun listed, or the sentence only mentions one noun. A plural noun is when the sentence or the phrase being spoken has more than one noun being mentioned. So it might be where, let's take a look, a singular noun might be the word cake. Cake is a thing, it's an item. I can tell I made a birthday cake. From the way I spoke and read that word, it means I made only one. Now, if I take that same word, I'm going to make it plural by adding an S to the end of it. That's going to make my noun plural, and by adding that S, it makes my noun mean more than one. So here I have the word cakes. I might say, Marshall's birthday is coming up and I made 2 cakes. That S is indicating that it's more than one noun. All right, let's get some practice. All right, noun sort. So we're going to find that to make most of our nouns plural, we get to add an S. There are a lot of different plural rules. We're going to focus on 2 simpler ones today. So here, if the noun is plural, we're going to see an S at the end of it. But let's say the words out loud to make sure that when we say them, our ear is listening to make sure that it sounds like we're speaking about more than one vowel. So here you guys, you can see I have plural means more than one noun. Here's 2 cats, more than one. Here it says singular means just one noun is written. Write each noun under the correct heading. All right, let's just start right in a row. How about the word cat? Cat. I don't see an S at the end of it, and it seems to be talking just about one, so I'd write the word cat under singular. I'm going to cross that off. Stories. Stories. I read 3 stories to the kids when they went to bed. Oh, that means, you guys, can you hear that? That means more than one. It has an S on the end of it. Making it plural, making that noun more than one. How about the word desk? Desk. Evan sat at his desk. That's just one. That's called singular. Boxes. Boxes. I carried the boxes up to my room. That's plural. I didn't just carry one box. I carried boxes. That ES shows that it's more than one noun. It's a group. Ball. Ball. Jacoby threw the ball outside at recess. That would be singular, you guys. It doesn't have an S, so it just means one ball, one noun. Hands. Hands. Look at that right there. That S was added to make this noun plural. Dresses. Dresses. And I'm going to use it in a sentence. I tried on 5 different dresses before I picked the one I would wear to the dance. That ES right here makes this noun go from dress, singular, to plural which is more than one. So I'd spell it dress, and then we had to add the ES, and we'll talk about why we have to add ES sometimes. Family. My family is very special to me. And right here, you guys, that word family right now is singular. I have one family. Boys. That's an S. They added an S, making it mean more than one. Puppy. We got a new puppy last week. Just one puppy, not puppies. No S, so it's singular. Candy. It is fun to eat candy such as Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, but I can only eat one candy without getting a stomach ache. No S at the end, so this is going to be singular. Games. Look at that S, you guys. That S makes it plural. We played a lot of games after school today. Look at what these have in common. S, 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 S. Many times, but not all the time, many times to turn a noun plural, we add an S or an ES. And here, singular words, you can see no additional S added. All right, another piece that we're going to talk about is what happens when I can't add an S. So you guys, we have most of the time when you need to make a word plural, you add an S. Well, we have these letters. These letters are rule breakers. And when they're at the end of a word, instead of adding S to make the word plural, we have to add ES. So if your noun ends in an S, like kiss, CH, like peach, SH, like brush, X in box, or Z in quiz, we have to add an ES to put them in their plural form. So right here they're singular, meaning it's just one object, and we need to make it so that when the word is used, it means more than one object, more than one noun. So we're going to use the ES rule. All right, so box ends in an X, so here we have to add ES to make it plural. Box with ES. Wish ends in an SH, so I have to add ES to make it plural. Kiss ends in an S, so I have to add ES to make it plural. Look at that word, you guys. Peach, there's the CH, so I have to add ES to make it plural. Peaches. So that's kind of, if when we're writing, when we go, oh, is it ES, is it, look for the rule. Look at that and go, oh, no, it's not an S, CH, SH, X, or Z. All right, guys, princess. This one ends in an S, so I'm going to have to add ES to make it plural, to be princesses. So we have princess. It falls under the noun that has an S, so we need to add ES. So princesses to make it plural, talking about more than one princess. Brush ends in SH, so it follows the ES rule. Brush, S-E-S. Quiz. Quiz is a little bit different. Quiz has a double, we double that consonant, and then add ES, so it'd be Q-U-I-Z-Z-E-S. So it's a little bit different there, but now what you guys are going to do is practice your singular and plural nouns. Here on page 7, you're going to circle the singular nouns, underline the plural nouns. And then on page 8, you're going to have the nouns that at times will end in an ES instead of an S when making them plural.